What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my basic hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we'll be learning our final 8 count of the combination. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we will be able to work together. Alright, so for this episode, we will be using episodes 1, 3, and 5, so if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check those out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's kick off the episode with the last few steps of our last 8 count. So from here, I'm going to step out of my left, I'm going twist, 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 and in. Now from here, I'm really going to focus on my body this time versus using my legs to groove. So before we've been using a lot of leg grooves, right now I'm going to use my body to kind of groove it out. So all I'm going to do is I'm hitting a wall with my left shoulder. So I'm going to go left, back, down. And that's where I'm going to use my legs for that one. Okay, so with my right leg, I'm going to step out. At the same time, my left shoulder is going to hit a wall over here. Left, center, down. So to put together, you want to think back, down. So boom, down. Let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, hit the wall and down. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and wall and down. So if you notice, I'm trying to really turn my body this way, and I reset it back to the front, just create a different picture, and I just dropped down over here. Okay, so one more time. 6, 7, 8, and wall and down. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna take a step with my left. Now I want to hit the wall over here, so I hit it with my right shoulder, come back to center, and then use my legs to come down. So try that. So 6, 7, 8, and left, center, down. One down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, center, down. So you're really using that step to kind of really accent that hitting the wall, and then I'm gonna drop down. So try going back and forth. So 6, 7, 8, and wall, down, down. Let's try one more time. So 5, 6, hit the wall and wall, center, down, wall, center, down. Very good. So now I'm just gonna add quick ones. So instead of going wall, center, down, I'm gonna go wall, wall. So I'm just gonna hit the wall this way, hit the wall over here. So let your body kind of turn from side to side. Okay, so let's try it from the top. So this goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So again, use that step to really help you hit those walls, almost like you're hitting in your bounce golf. Boom, boom. Okay, so let's try that one more time. So 6, 7, 8. This goes wall, down, wall, double time, wall, wall. Good. So for this last one, again, playing off of like my rule of threes, my SSD method, I did a single, so I'm gonna double it up on this side. So I'll go hit, hit. So now just to make this a little bit bigger, I'm gonna go hit, and then at this last one, I'm gonna really use this to draw it down and just drag to your right. Okay, so again, with that last one, I'm going hit the wall, drag it down. And again, my feet are kind of accenting exactly what I'm doing with my body. Okay, so let's try that from the very top of this 8 count. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes right, center, down, left, center, down, right, left, right, drag. Good. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is right, center, down, left, center, down, right, left, right, drag. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, hit this wall and a right, center, down, left, center, down, right, left, right, down. Good. Let's try it one more time and really accent your feet just to make your movement look a little bit bigger. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, center, left, center, right, left, right, down. All right, so now let's take it from our third 8 count. We'll add it together with our new 8 count. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. New 8 count. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's take it from our second 8 count. So the Steve Martin. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, back, turn around, left, back, new 8 count, and out, 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 together, and out, 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 new 8 count, and right, center, down, left, center, down. This is right, left, right, drag. Good. Let's try it from the very top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3, and slide. 5, 6, 7. Steve Martin, right, back, and turn around, left, back, and third, 8 count, and twist, 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 and twist, 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 new 8 count, and right, down, left, down, going right, and left, and right, down. All right, good, so let's try that again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. From the top, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right, together, left with the slide, slide, and slide. Steve Martin, down, back, and turn around, down, back, and knees out, and out, 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 together, and out, out, out. New 8 count, right, down, left, down, right, left, right, slide. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, we're now using our body to do more of our groove versus just using our legs, right? So we did add a little bit of leg for that one, but really I'm just kind of like stepping into each step just to really accent that. Hitting the wall, twisting, and coming back. So really using your body to almost what we call like a forward groove. You kind of think of it as a down groove with your body too. I'm going bounce, 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 bounce. And even for these single ones, I'm going bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, bounce through, right? So I'm still trying to keep that constant groove of just forward, back, forward, back, forward, back the whole time while my body is grooving out with my legs just moving. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video. Make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you props and shout outs and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.